Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. Now, I'll be talking more about these right after this. Just wanted to say this really quick. After watching this video, and if you find it was helpful or you end up liking it, please hit that like button. Also, if you want to continue to receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by hitting that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, so today we're gonna look at the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. All right, so let's go ahead and slide here. And slide right here. Should be good. Pop this down. There we go. And here's the case. Get rid of that. And then you have the charge cable, which of course is Type-C. Let's see if it's Type-C to Type. It's Type-C to Type-C. All right. So no need to look at that. There's nothing else in this packaging. All right. So I'm gonna put this aside. Let's go ahead and look at the buds. I'm gonna try to make this video as fast as possible. All right. Let's open this up. And here they go. Take them out. Nice looking case. All right, get a look at them here. Got the tweeters up here, closer. All right, microphones. And then this is where you would, of course, place in your ear, the ear tips. And you can see that they're labeled L for left and R for right. It goes in the case magnetically, so it connects right in there. All right, so as you can see, that shouldn't fall out. Of course, if I do heavy shaking, they'll fall out. But for the most part, it's sticking right in there. All right, so this is last year's version, the Galaxy Buds 2. All right, do a size comparison really quick. All right, as you can see, the Buds 2 Pro, a little bit longer, a little bit larger, but not a whole lot. All right. As far as the case is concerned, same size. All right. All right. Put that to the side. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to actually test with this one here. I'm going to go ahead and give a test listen. All right. See how this works. Let's see if the sound experience is that much better or how compared to last year's Galaxy Buds 2. Overall, which one I think is better and if it's worth the purchase. All right. So this is already synced up to my phone, which is of course is the Fold 4. So I'm going to go ahead and get something playing here, test it out, and I'll be back to let you know my thoughts. I got to tell you that these sound phenomenal. The bass, everything. It just, I mean, they're super loud. Now these sound phenomenal. Now I turned it up to the max and wow, I mean, it felt like I was in a club. No lie. I mean, these sound phenomenal. Phenomenal. I'm not going to lie. I'm definitely feeling these. All right. So compared to, it's not even a comparison. It's night and day, to be honest with you. I mean, these were not horrible, but I mean, just like you see, night and day. You can look at the cases to tell you that this is day, this is night. Totally different. All right. These are definitely the winner. The Buds 2 Pro. Man, I don't know how else to really describe them, but it sounds phenomenal. Comfort wise, it stood in my ear, no problem. It didn't feel irritating, it didn't feel heavy. Last year buds, they slipped on my ear quite often, especially if I got sweaty. And you know, I didn't find that cool. You know, I wasn't really happy with that. Of course, I didn't get sweaty with these, but the way they fit, I don't think I will have that issue. The way they went in my ear and resting in my ear, I don't think I'm going to have that issue. Of course, they have to be put to the test. And didn't even take a look at the settings really quick. First, let me just take one out. Actually, let me take these both out really quick. Let's go to the wearable app, and you have your different options here. Of course, you have ambient. Your voice sounds different, and this is good for phone calls. You know, of course, when you're playing your music, you probably want it on active noise canceling, so that way you can just zone in to what you're listening to. But again, for phone calls or meetings and things like that, like if you have a Zoom meeting or a Teams meeting, ambient sound will be the way to go. All right, you have your different options here. I didn't even try it with 360 audio, you know what I mean? Where you pretty much sound like you're surrounded by the music. I didn't even test with that. Definitely a winner. All right, so you get these, you're not gonna be disappointed. I can tell you that right now, you're not gonna be disappointed. Now, if you're interested in the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my unboxing and first initial thoughts review for the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.